Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Honda CR-V. So from any screen, you've got here the map. If you then click the menu, you've got address here, address book, place name, place category, or go home. So we want address, and we also want postcode. So go to postcode. Sorry, take several touches. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantly, Preston, P. So my fingers are like Mars bars. PR5 4JS. PR5 4JS, 1.79 miles away. Set as destination. It's one of those things where you program the postcode in, then you tell it yes, then you have to tell it again to go. So that's it. It's a very, very simple system to use.